Hey, what's up guys? So if you decide to buy the SPen Pro, it comes in a nice box like that. Okay, we'll get it open. Inside you will get your SPen Pro pen. You can see here it is S Pen and the Z Fold. You have a little touch right here. You have a carrying case that you can put your S Pen in. And final, you will get this little kit right here. This is to take the tips out and extra tips. You can see you get 3 extra tips. And if you wanted to replace, you have this little piece right here. You lock it in and your tip come right off. And you will replace it with a new one. Very nice pen. Awesome. More videos coming on using the pen. So this is what you will get.